Hold on, y'all.
Okay. Judge, I'm ready. Everyone remain in the camera. 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, or driving. No in and out of the camera. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the judge. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, let the lawyer say their name first, and then you can say your name. This is the People versus Brandon Rutland, ticket number SP 1033066, count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP 1025605, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Hold on one second. No, it's just.
Oh, yeah, true.
Ticket number SP 1029666, count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP 1248561, count 1, drive while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1263625, count 2, drive while license suspended, count 3, unregistered driver, registered or covered vehicle. Ticket number SP 1264968, count 1, drive while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1300856, count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender, and ticket number U47498318, disorderly person. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Bob Zaranek for Mr. Rutland. Please state your name, sir.
Brandon Rutland.
Judge, we did work out a plea. These are here for arraignment on the bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside, and we do have a plea agreement worked out, Judge. We're dependent would plead on the U ticket under a 3-month delayed sentence, and he would also plead to a reduced charge on the 968 ticket and the 856 ticket. Those would be failure to display, and all the other ones would be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rutland. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will. You're pleading of your own free will.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Are you pleading of your own?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty. You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention. Hold on one second. Just trying to get everything together. Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 21st, 2018 at 3 a.m. on the day time where you at or near Monroe and Bovian in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And were you publicly intoxicated?
Yes.
Okay, in public rather. All right. You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranek?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 28th, 2021 at 5:16 p.m. on that date and time where you at Joy Road and Steel Street in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving, I'm sorry.
Sit up, Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, you gotta sit up.
Were you driving a 2002 Ford vehicle?
Yes,
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Of course, also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 14, 2022 at 4:35 p.m. on that date and time were you at or near Evergreen in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2002 Ford vehicle?
yes,
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
Satisfied, Your Honor.
It's also satisfied the factual basis. Will accept the admission and amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. As to the U ticket, this is a 3-month delayed sentence, so you have 3 months to pay a fine of $200. During that time, you can't get any more tickets. You pay the fine when you come back on your next court date, which is going to be it's going to be July 10th at 8:35. This will be dismissed off your record. As to the two failed to display, what I'll do is there'll be a fine of $300 for one of the failed to display. I'll waive the other fine for the failed to display, so you're gonna have a total of $600. I think because it's easier to make everything due on the same day, pay that on July 10th as well, or by July 10th. Did you have a bond?
yes, I did.
All right, so the bond can be applied. Did I ask you if you stipulated proper cause, Mr. Zaranick? That's his other ticket.
Yes, Your Honor. Yeah, you did. We do, Judge. Thanks.
All right, thank you. All right, so those matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set unless you have any questions, Mr. Rutland.
No, ma'am.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. I can leave?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. This is the people versus Latoya Dawson, ticket number SP 1403598, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Bob Zaranick for Miss Dawson. Please state your name.
Latoya Dawson.
Judge, she is here for one ticket on show cause, and we did work on a plea agreement. This would be reduced to a failure to display. She'd like to take that offer.
Yeah, Ms. Dawson? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Zaranick, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
For the direct your attention to November 30th, 2022 at 1:16 p.m. on that day and time where you at near East State Fair Street, Anvil Street in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Be driving a 2017 Jeep vehicle.
Yes.
Be driving while your license was suspended.
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Ms. Dawson. Can you have that fine paid by? Oh, I had it.
I'm gonna change that for you.
Can you have it paid by May 10th?
Yes, how much did you say?
It's 200.
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Okay, any questions, ma'am?
No,
So you're all set. Good luck to you.
thank you so much.
The People versus Sean Day Anderson, ticket number SP 1407335, count. This is count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Day. Please state your name, sir.
Sean Anderson Day.
Judge, these matters are for a pretrial today. We're going to ask for an adjournment of the pretrial till sometime maybe later in May for Mr. Day to bring in his valid documents. He should have his insurance and his equipment item fixed by then.
Did you say May?
Sometime later in May, please.
Second trial. Yeah. Every now and then, you know, it just affects the age, you know.
All right, we'll come back on. I think May 8th. Unless does he want to set it for a trial?
Well, I mean, we could judge. He's probably going to have his documents then, so it would probably be a dismissal, but whatever the court wants to do.
It's fine, we'll do May 8th. May 8th at 8:35.
All right, you good with that, Mr. Day?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see you then.
Thank you.
All right, we'll do Ms. Letitia Davis. This is the People versus Letitia Davis, ticket number SP 1314476, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Davis, Your Honor.
Say your name is David.
Miss Davis, did you state your name now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Judge, can we just set this for a bench trial?
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial. Give me 1 moment to find it. April 24th at 9 o'clock. Draw set, good luck.
thank you.
This is the people versus Nathaniel Rudolph.
21. April 21st.
Okay. Ticket number SP 1086022, count one, driver license, not valid or proper license. I'm sorry, that's count one. And then count two is violate governor's executive order. Why don't you say your name for the record?
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Rudolph. Please state your name, sir.
Nathaniel. First and last.
Yes, please.
sir.
I said it when I say my Nathaniel Rudolph Jr.
Judge, this matter is up for arraignment on a bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside. Mr. Rudolph did present valid documentation today, and we'd ask for a dismissal.
This is for both counts.
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate to proper cause, Mr. Serena?
Yes, we do. Thank you.
These matters are dismissed without, the court will set aside the warrant. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Rudolph. You're all set, sir.
Thank you. You have a blessed morning.
You too, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the people versus Lynette Roll. Ticket number Z808167. Count one is he's operating while intoxicated. I think we're here for a probation review. The warning to say name director.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Roll. Please state your name, ma'am.
Lynette Roll.
So, Judge, it is up for today for review. Ms. Roll tells me that she still has a couple things to complete. She's got a couple classes to take and finish paying her money. She did lose track of her probation officer, so she needs a contact number for whoever is assigned to the case now. I'm not sure if it's somebody new.
Mr. Durant, we're gonna just recall this to get Officer Brenner's chair.
Okay,
All right.
hold on, Ms. Roll. We'll be back with you.
This is the people versus Wayne Rior. Ticket number SP 1401914, count two, expired plates, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Bob Zaranick
Wayne.
for the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
Wayne Rior.
Judge, can we set these matters for a bench trial?
Absolutely. He also has a ticket that's in warrant status, and we'll set that for bench trial as well. That's ticket number C15014003, count one, drive while license suspended. Raise your right hand, Mr. Rior. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set these matters for a bench trial on April 21st at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set, sir. Unless you had a question.
no. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just do it back in. This is the people versus all right, this is the people versus Tamelia Davis. Ticket number, she's still around or did she leave? I don't see. All right, Orlando Ray. Ticket number SP 1411306, count one, driving registered on title vehicle, count two, improper plate, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Ray. Please state your name, sir.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Ray, look on the bottom left-hand corner.
Touch your device and touch the mic at the bottom left-hand corner. Are you on the
Y'all-
laptop?
Was y'all talking about me?
No, Mr. Ray, are you on the laptop? Unmute your
Look on the
device.
Here comes his assistant. There
Hello,
you go. State your name, sir.
Orlando Ray.
Thank you. Judge, we do have a plea worked out in this matter. Mr. Ray would plead to the 06 ticket ending in, or count 2. The other 2 would be dismissed.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes,
Your hand down, you've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Zaranick, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to November 30th, 2022 at 5:39 p.m. on a date and time at and near Schaefer and Linden, the city of Detroit.
yes,
You drive a 2008 Jeep vehicle.
yes.
You have improper plates on that vehicle.
Pardon?
Were your plates improper on that vehicle?
Yes, they were improper.
You satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Judge, and we'll stip probable cause on the dismissals.
All right, so counts 1 and 2 are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Ray. Can you have that fine paid by May 10th?
Yes,
Any questions, sir?
no,
We're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
thank you.
This is the people versus Eric Davis, ticket number SP 140969.
Okay, Judge, I didn't get that.
Okay,
I didn't turn it off. They turned it off.
Mr. Ray, let me move him, because it's too noisy. Oh, okay, Judge, I just got SP 1409, then,
all right. This is people versus Eric Davis, ticket number SP 14096689. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1410018. Count 1, drove while license not valid, proper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Davis, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Eric Davis.
Judge, on his matter, there was an offer to reduce the insurance down to an improper plate. He'd like to take that deal.
Okay, he has this. Let me see what's going on with this thing, because I see a drove while license not valid or proper.
Hmm.
It looks like it's from the same, it's from the same ticket, actually.
Yeah, I don't see that one on the docket, but
Yeah, I know, I noticed that it's not on the docket. Yeah, I don't know why, but whatever. It'll be dismissed. Because it's from the same ticket. So, all right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Zaranick, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
Pleading of your own free will.
yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Can you repeat that?
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 25th, 2022 at 2:38 p.m. on the date time you acted near 7 Mile and Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2013 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, ma'am.
You satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
First, also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fill, I'm sorry, to improper place. You stipulate your proper cause as to the other ticket to be dismissed.
We do, Judge. Thank you.
This dismissal without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Davis. Can you have that fine paid by May 10th?
Yeah.
Any questions, sir? No questions? You're all set, sir.
No questions.
Good luck.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Headway, before we start bringing out Ms. White.